What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the general crypto market. We have a very green day in the markets today. Altcoins are bouncing, Bitcoin is up. We'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world, and we're taking a look at Bitcoin US dollar price chart. Currently, Bitcoin is sitting above $20,000. We'll be taking a look at Ethereum's price chart. Also, it has hit significant resistance level. We'll be looking at what's in store for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the coming weeks, and then we'll take a look at other sections of the crypto market. Where is the market heading towards? The general crypto market cap is still below $1 trillion. Are we going to dump any lower, or is the bear market bottom in and we're going to start pumping to the moon? We're going to be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, guys, Bitcoin is currently trading for $20,000. We are still deep in the crypto bear market, but it's good to see the crypto market bouncing off the lows. Over the weekend, we had a very red weekend, but right now, a lot of altcoins in the market are recovering. Bitcoin is up more than 6.9% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin currently trading above $20,000, and we're trading below $19,000 over the weekend. The lowest we got to was $18,200. I got some Bitcoin at this region. I believe the bear market bottom is in. I shall be making another video to show you 5 reasons why I believe the bear market bottom is in. But right now, you can see that Bitcoin is holding its own above 20,000. And if history is anything to go by, we know that September has always been a brutal month for Bitcoin. And right now, we're getting to the end of September. Will October be bullish for Bitcoin? Only time will tell. I won't be shocked to see us take out this $25,000 high we set in August 2022. If we can take out that level in October, we'll see a lot of FOMO, and the journey to 28,000 will be very swift. Because, guys, a lot of market participants right now are still very bearish. They're expecting Bitcoin not to take out this $25,000 region. And when Bitcoin takes it out eventually, guess what will happen to participants in the market? Guess what will happen to all the bears in the market? They'll start saying, you know what, maybe the bottom is in, and they'll start buying at $24,000. You start hearing calls that Bitcoin is going to 50,000, 40,000. You want to be careful out there, but we're happy we're having a green day in the crypto market. If we take a look at what the number one altcoin in the market is doing, Ethereum came to as low as $1,218 over the weekend. Right now, we have seen Ethereum go from $1,200 to $1,400. Ethereum has gained more than 13% in the last 5 days. Even though the market is bearish, even though sentiments in the market is still in extreme fear, guys, you want to be very optimistic in this kind of environment. A lot of indicators are telling us maybe, just maybe, this is the time to start buying Bitcoin if you want to be profitable in the long run. A lot of times, the market will not always agree with what the fact is saying. So when the fact is saying the top is in, people will say, no, we're going to go higher. When the fact is saying the bottom is in, people will say we're going to be going lower. Now, let's take a look at some news stories happening in the crypto world. Traders brave for Bitcoin price volatility as the XY 2022 gains near 20%. It's still all about the US dollar this week as the monthly close and expiry option looms for Bitcoin. Now, a lot of things in the market are telling us maybe we're going to go lower, maybe Bitcoin is going to drop to 14K. But as I told you guys earlier, September has always been a bearish month for Bitcoin. You can look at the past history of September. We only have 2 months where September was in the positive for Bitcoin. That was in 2016 and 2015. Otherwise, other months have been very red for Bitcoin during the month of September, and you can see that in the month of September we're already down 4.82%. It looks as if Bitcoin is closing the month on a strong. It looks as if Bitcoin is closing the month on a very strong note. That's good to see. And British pounds follows euros. The pound dollar rate hits all-time low, reaching £1 to $1.04. The pound has crash landed, marking a low against the US dollar following the new Prime Minister's budget announcement. This environment looks like it's going to be healthy for Bitcoin. At a point in time in the future, the general population will realize that Bitcoin has a maximum supply, but your fiat currency has an unlimited supply and can be printed anytime by the government. Is it the time for Bitcoin to shine? The British pounds dropped to an all-time low against the dollar. The US dollar has been a clear winner as investors seek shelter in the largest global economy, but could the British pound's weakness be a positive for Bitcoin? Personally, I think it's a positive for Bitcoin. Governments around the world printed tremendous amounts of money in 2020. They were scared for a recession, COVID, yada, yada, yada. Right now, we are paying for all those things that the government did in 2020. All the free money we got in 2020 from our government, we are paying for those gains right now. Inflation is running rampant all around the world. Other news stories happening in the crypto world: cyber sleuths allege $160 million Wintermute hack was an inside job. James Edward based accusation on what he feels are dubious transactions and smart contract codes that doesn't match the post-mortem analysis. Guys, I brought you about this hack some days ago. $160 million was stolen from this Wintermute hack. The hacker had exploited a bug in Wintermute smart contract, which enabled them to wipe over 70 different tokens, including $61 million worth of USDC, $29 million worth of Terra, and 671 wrapped Bitcoin. The relevant transaction initiated by the EOT external own address make it clear that the hacker was likely an internal member of Wintermute team. We hope the hacker will be found eventually. FTX US wins auction for Voyager Digital assets. Voyage hints that customers will eventually transition to the FTX platform after it finished its Chapter 11 bankruptcy proceedings. That's good to see. And Bored Apes Moonbird will feature on NFT customized MasterCard debit card. The customizable cards will only support NFT avatar from the selectable blue chip collection, subject to MasterCard design standard and owner's verification process. NFTs are going mainstream. Get your NFTs ready. The next bull run is going to be crazy. If we take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is still heavily sitting at number 1, up 4.5% in the last 7 days. Ethereum sitting at number 2, just up 2.24%. And the huge gainer in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization is still XRP. XRP is still up 28.58% in the last 7 days. Other notable top 10 movers in the last 7 days: Solana up 8.35%, and we have Do Kwon up 7.18%. Top gainers and the top losers in the market in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, XRP is still leading the gainers chart. It's up 27.31%. We have Compound up 25%, Maker up 22%, IOTA up 19%, and Uniswap is up 18%. In the loser section, Toncoin down 11.81%, Ravencoin down 7.20%, Lido DAO down 5.75%, and Near Protocol down 5.61%. Other news happening in the crypto world: California files order against Nixo interest account. The State Department of Financial Protection and Innovation says the crypto interest account is an unqualified security. Nixo has limited the account since BlockFi settlement with the SEC. Terra co-founder Do Kwon says he's making zero effort to hide following Interpol notice. Do Kwon told his more than 1 million Twitter followers that he has not seen his name on Interpol red list, but all names are not made available to the public. Singapore strives to remain relevant amidst regulatory tightening for retail investors. Singapore's largest bank expanded crypto trading for accredited investors only aligned with financial authority views. Guys, every country at some point in time is going to rally around crypto. I told you guys, when the government is telling you don't do something, there's very, very high chance you should look into that thing. This is not financial advice. Pro-centralization: Russian president grants citizenship to Edward Snowden. The views of NASA whistleblower, who has been in Russia since 2013, seemingly clash with those of President Vladimir Putin, who has often worked against promoting decentralization. But news reaching us that he has been granted citizenship. And guys, the US is not going to be happy with this. If we take a look at the general crypto market, currently sits below $1 trillion. The relief rally we had in August 2022, we went above $1 trillion. We went to as high as $1.165 trillion. Right now, the total crypto market cap is currently at $936 billion. There's a very high chance if we rally really hard in October, we might go above the $1 trillion mark again. That will be good to see. And when we get above the $1 trillion mark, that's when a lot of people in the market will get bullish. Consider the last rally we had in September 13, 2022. We got to as high as $1 trillion. A lot of people got bullish. That was when the merge was happening. Guess what happened? We dumped after that. So I believe maybe, just maybe, if we come back to test the $1 trillion mark, if we can go above it, there's a very high chance we'll rally hard in the month of October. Now, if we take a look at the US dollar currency index, that's been the talk of the town in the last 1 month. The dollar has been going to new highs. While other currencies has been falling, the dollar got to as high as 114.4, the highest we have seen the dollar in over 22 years. Is the top in for the dollar? Only time will tell. A lot of people have been calling the tops for the dollar since May 2022, and the dollar has just been ripping to new highs. From the lows the dollar set on the 30th of May 2022, the dollar is up more than 12.69% in just 120 days. Very crazy, very outrageous, but history has shown us that anytime the dollar starts losing steam and crashes on itself, we're going to see increase in price in the value of cryptocurrencies and other assets that are risks on. Now, if you take a look at liquidations in the market, you want to be careful out there because, guys, in the last 24 hours, over 45,000 traders were liquidated. The highest liquidation came in on Bybit when somebody was liquidated trying to trade Bitcoin, and he was liquidated for more than $2 million. Is the bottom in for Bitcoin? This indicator is telling us that the bottom is in. It actually printed that the bottom was in since the 4th of July 2022. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, will you be buying more Bitcoin right now? Do you believe the bottom is in and the bear market is over? Or is this just a fake rally to get people bullish before continue dumping to Goblin Town? The macro conditions are not favorable for Bitcoin to pump. People are talking about recession. Currencies are losing value by the day. Inflation is going high. Do you think this way cryptocurrencies will shine in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.